All right, this is another round of the 10-minute warm-up. And to get this started, bring yourself into all fours. So, palms down, wrists underneath the shoulders, knees underneath your hips. And then just tuck the toes of both feet. And with your toes tucked, pull your belly in. And then go ahead, press into the floor. Lift your knees and bring your hips up as high as you can. And then just come down slow, lightly touch your knees down. Come back up for 2. Bring your knees back down. Lift up for 3. And then sink down. Lift up for 4. Bring your knees down. Up for 5. And bring the knees back down. Up for 6. Sink back down. Up to 7. And then come back down. Up for 8. Bring your knees down. Up for 9. Bring your knees back down. Now up for 10, keep your hips high. Walk the feet forward toward your hands. I'm just turning for the camera here. And just keep your feet about hips width distance apart. Now deep into the knees, so stay loose here as you're folded. Bring your torso as full as you can in contact with your thighs. And then with your left hand, take hold of the outside of the right leg. And we're going to twist here. So reach your right arm up, but stay folded. And then bring your hand down. Right arm up again. And then bring the hand to the floor. One more time, reach your right arm up. Now keep reaching up and just look up. So keep your head low, keep your torso in contact with your thighs. If you can go deeper, maybe straighten your right leg and bend your left knee. You'll feel that in the outer right hip if you don't already. But try to keep your right shoulder high and maybe use that left hand to pull yourself deeper into the fold as you're twisting. And then go ahead and bring your right hand down. And let's go ahead and then switch this out. So when you're ready, go ahead and reach your right hand across. Take hold of the outside of your left leg wherever you can reach. Keep your torso in contact with your thighs. And then back and forth. Reach your left arm up and twist, but keep your head low. And bring that hand down. Left arm up again. Twist here. And bring the hand down. Reach your left arm up one more time and just keep reaching. Now try to stack the left shoulder above the right. Keep your torso in contact with your thighs. If you can go deeper, maybe more straightening to the left leg, maybe more bending into your right knee. But with your right hand, keep drawing yourself down into your legs. And then just bring your left hand down. Now from here, stay folded. And bring your hands underneath your feet. So palms up. Bring the toes up toward the wrist creases. Still keep your knees bent and stay loose. You don't want to crank into this. And if your hamstrings are tight, bend the knees deep. Now take this to wherever you can. You can dig the toes into the bones of the wrists and maybe lift one heel and then the other. Just go back and forth. All right, and then go ahead and release your hands. Now from here, set this up for a deep squat. So heels in, toes out, and you can bring your feet wide, maybe narrow, it depends on how you're built. So play around with this a little bit. But sink your hips low and at least bring your hips to the level of the knees, and you can always bring your elbows to your thighs, and this might be enough. If you can sink down further, find your depth. Now, from wherever you are, keep the feet where they are, keep the heels on the floor best you can. And we're just going to go back and forth with one hand at a time. So bring your right hand to the floor behind you. Bring the left hand down. And then right arm forward and left arm forward and reach to counterbalance. Left hand comes back, right hand back, forward with the left arm, forward to the right. Right hand back again, left hand back, right arm forward, left arm forward. Come back with the left hand, back with the right, left arm forward, and right arm forward. Now one more time on this round, back with the right hand, back with the left, right arm forward, left arm forward. Now bring it back with your left hand, back with the right. And then once your hands are back, just set yourself down. And we'll set this up for reverse tabletop. So feet in front of your hips width, hands behind the shoulders, shoulder width, palms down. You can point the fingertips forward or out to the sides, whatever suits you best for the wrists. Push down, lift your seat up off the floor. And then up and down. Press your hips up and squeeze your glutes. Sink back down. Lift up for 2. And then come down. Press this up for 3. Sink back down. Lift up for 4. Come back down. Now bring it up one more time and hold. Now keep your glutes squeezing. Dig into the heels. Press your chest up. You can look forward, look up, or hang your head back. And then take an inhale. With the exhale, come all the way down. And once you're down, take a moment, shake out your hands a little bit. All right, now from here, we're going to use the same setup. So the feet are still hips width, hands behind the shoulders, fingertips to the sides, right or left. And then push down, lift your seat up off the floor. Now we're going to take this in a bit of twisting here. We'll take the first round slow, and then we'll speed it up. So I want you to extend your left leg forward, just set the heel down. And then twist left, both hands to the floor, and press your hips up high. And then sink back down and come back into center. On the other side, right leg forward, heel down. Twist right, both hands to the floor, lift your hips, and then bring it back to center. So back and forth, extend your left leg, twist left, come back to center. Right leg forward, twist right. Back to center. Twist to the left again. Back to center. Twist right. Come back to center. Twist to the left again. Back to center. Twist to the right. Back to center. Twist left again. Back to center. Twist right. Back to center. Twist to the left. Back to center. Twist right. Back to center. Twist left again. Back to center. Twist right. Back to center. Twist left one more time. Back to center. Twist right one more time. Back to center. And just set yourself down. Shake out your hands a little bit. And then go across the ankles. Come forward, your hands come into all fours. Now from all fours, bring your knees together, keep your hips over your knees, and bring the hands in close within 2 hands length of your knees, so not too far forward, but still with the hands shoulder width. Palms down, rotate your fingertips to the side and then in the direction of your feet. Set your hands flat, dig your fingertips down. Circle your shoulders where your wrists here to feel this out, and just stretch things out. Keep your hands nice and tense. And then just bring this into center. Now you're still gripping the floor. Look forward. And then shoulders forward. Squeeze your elbows toward your ribs. You're just lowering toward halfway. Push back up. Shoulders forward, elbows in. And lift up. Shoulders forward, elbows in again. Lift back up. Shoulders forward, elbows in. And then lift back up. One more time. Shoulders forward, elbows in. Lift up. And then go ahead, take a seat. And shake out your hands for a moment. Loosen your fingers and wrists. All right, from here, go ahead, bring yourself back into all fours. So wrists into the shoulders, knees underneath the hips, and this is a version of spinal balance from here. So just look down, but keep your neck long in relation to your spine so you're not dropping your head down. And then extend forward to the right arm and reach back to your left leg and just hold here. Now take an inhale. Exhale, squeeze in, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee again. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee one more time. Now with the right hand, reach and find your left foot. Look forward. And once you have that grip, kick into your hand, pull your shoulder forward, lift your left knee high, keep your balance. Kick your right foot down into the floor and keep gripping with your left hand. Now a little bit of a push-up here. Keep looking forward, but go slow. Bend the left elbow toward you. Sink down maybe a little bit, maybe all the way to the floor. Press back up the straight. Again, pull the elbow back, sink this down low, and then lift up. Draw your elbow back, sink this down again. Lift back up. Elbow in, sink down low. Lift up to straight. One more time, pull the elbow in and sink this down. Lift up one more time, and come back to all fours. And then let's take it into the side. Again, just look down, but keep your neck long. Stretch your left arm forward and your right leg back and just hold. Now take an inhale. Exhale, squeeze in, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee again. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee one more time. Now with the left hand, reach and find your right foot. Look forward. Kick into your left hand, pull the shoulder forward. Lift your right knee high. Keep your left foot kicking into the floor and keep your right hand gripping. Now from here, go slow. Bend the right elbow back. Sink down to where you can. And then lift up all the way. Pull the elbow back, sink this down low. And then lift up again. Draw your elbow back, sink down. Lift back up. Pull the elbow in, sink down low. And then lift up. One more time. Draw the elbow in, sink down. Lift up one more time. And then come back to all fours. Move around and breathe. All right, one more thing to warm this up. And This will definitely get you breathing, and this will be a bit of core work at the same time. So from all fours, wrists into the shoulders, knees underneath your hips. Tuck the toes of both feet, and then hover your knees. Keep your belly pulled in. We'll go take the first round slow and then speed this up. So sink back down to the heels, and then step your right foot forward outside your right hand. Lift your right hand, pull your left leg through. Now pull back, and then sink back down to your heels. Left foot outside the left hand. Lift your left hand, pull the right leg through. And then pull back, sink all the way down. Right foot forward, left leg through. Pull back, sink this down. Left foot forward, right leg through. Pull back and sink down. Right foot forward, left leg through. Pull back, sink down. Left foot forward, right leg through. Pull back, sink down. Right foot forward, left leg through. Pull back, sink down. Left foot forward, right leg through. Pull back, sink down, stay with me. Right foot forward, left leg through. Pull back, sink down, left foot forward, right leg through. Pull back, sink down, right foot forward, left leg through. Pull back, sink down, left foot forward, right leg through. Pull back, sink down, right foot forward, left leg through. Pull back, sink down, left foot forward, right leg through. Pull back, sink down, 2 more rounds. Right foot forward, left leg through. Pull back, sink down, left foot forward, right leg through. Pull back, sink down, right foot forward, left leg through. Pull back, sink down, and then left foot forward, right leg through. Pull back, sink down, and set your knees down. Take a moment here to breathe. All right, and that is this round of the 10-minute warm-up. Thank you very much.